What is your stand on the homelessness issue?
Well, the homelessness issue is actually complicated, but it's simpler than they're looking at it. When you say homelessness, you're labeling a whole group of people that you need to start looking at individually. Everybody that is having an issue of being here in Pueblo without a permanent address needs to have a needs assessment. You need to have somebody that looks at, are you here because of a life change circumstance, a loss of job, a loss of family? Are you here because the state hospital isn't taking patients and you're there from a mental situation? Are you here because you just choose to be? Are you here because the other communities around the country kicked you out and you're looking for a place that you can get away with murder? I mean, these are all things you have to look at each situation individually and then have resources for that. The bigger picture is for those that need a hand up. I'm all for creating resources. I'm all for fighting with the state and being an advocate for getting the state hospital regenerized with financial capacity, so they can then get the people that have mental challenges off the streets. So it's a more complicated situation, but you got to start with understanding that not all homeless is the same.